Hey everybody, we're here today and I'm pretty excited to announce that Property Revolution is now GAF Master Elite, and I wanted to share why this is important. Only about 2% of roofers in the entire country in the United States can actually claim GAF Master Elite status. This program requires strict installation procedures. Our installations of our roofs can actually be audited by the manufacturer, and there's extensive training that's required to become Master Elite. And you might be asking yourself, why does this make me a difference? You know, it's just a credential that hangs on your wall, like big deal. When you're interviewing a roofer to work on your home and you work with a Master Elite roofer, you know you're working with someone who's been vetted by the manufacturer, trained to install their products, and it's someone you can trust to do a good job. This program also allows us to offer what's called a Golden Pledge warranty. This Golden Pledge warranty includes a 25-year workmanship warranty on your roof. And this isn't a warranty from a 3-year-old company saying, hey, we're gonna give you a 25-year warranty. It's more like an insurance policy that we purchase from the manufacturer, and the largest shingle manufacturer in the United States is backing us, giving you that 25-year labor warranty. So GAF, the largest shingle manufacturer, is owning that labor warranty, so if something happens to our company farther down the line, we can make sure that you're still taken care of. There's also accountability with the program. If a Master Elite contractor isn't following proper installation practices or using correct materials or treating customers well, they're going to lose the credentials. So it's a level of accountability between us and the manufacturer to make sure that when we say, hey, we have this status, you know that you're going to be taken care of. So our team at Property Revolution has put in a lot of work to make sure that we can become GAF Master Elite in order to give you peace of mind that when you hire us to put your roof on, you know that it's a roof that's going to last you for a long time. Thank you.